Alright guys, just got back from the gun show. Well, gun shows in Southern California many years ago used to be crap. That's probably the best way I could put it. As time goes on, they've gotten way better. The west of the gun show nowadays in Del Mar is getting better and better. Just came back from the gun show. I don't know how long this is going to take. I might split it up in 1 or 2 segments, but got some gems, got some deals, overpaid for some stuff, but all in all, we did okay. Okay, one of the first things that we got an official made in the USA hat. It had even come with the official logo of the Marine Corps and some other stuff, so I really did like that. And I'm just going to start unloading some of this stuff and see how it goes. Well, I got myself a new purse. I got me a man purse. Got myself, actually it doesn't have a name on it. Don't care, because I'm just going to be throwing stuff in it. Guys stuff. Pretty nice. Got a lot of pouches. A lot of zippers, a lot of pockets. It's got an upper pocket here at the top. It's got the double quick open. It's got all that room inside there. Stuff on the outside, little small one on the back. So that's one of the things I got. And I'm going to just go through it kind of quickly. Now I'm going to save this for pretty close to the last reason for that. Alrighty. Let's see. I picked up this scope. Now I don't know if it's going to be, if it's going to be exactly what I want. But Dragunov style, comes with the eyepiece. Excuse me. It also comes with illuminated reticles, a sunshade on it. If I look through the right way, and this mounts back there so that you can have the really nice. The price I picked it up for, I almost didn't believe that it was really that cheap, but it also too, it's a knockoff for the Dragunov. Nothing like the real thing, but for the price of 65 bucks, including the mounting kit, I think that's pretty good. A little closer. Let's see what else we got. We got a bunch of miscellaneous stuff for the shop. They got these little flashlights. Something that you can throw real quick into your car just to have. Some mirrors, some magnets. Picked up, and then I bought, which comes really in handy when you're doing trigger jobs, is stones and files. I was able to pick those up. You can never have too many of those. And also too, I picked up a pretty heavy duty magnet for the one of my bug out bags, so that if you know you need to start a fire or something like that, I can go ahead and do that by using the sun. Let's see what else we got. I got a bag in here. What do we got? Nope. What do we have now? Oh yeah. What's something here? What was this? I don't even remember now. Let me put this on the floor here. Oh yes. 7.65 by 54. You don't know what that is? Argentinian Mauser rounds. We'll pick those up. What else we got? Picked up a belt. You know, everyday type, tactical type belt, which is 1 1.25. Yeah, it goes up to 56 inches, so it will fit. And then I bought some parts for AR-15, some compression washers, firing pins, retaining pins. I got some brushes. They were pretty good. There were 3 for $1. Swab brushes and some of the copper ones. There were 3 for $5. I also bought for the PMags here in California, because we live in, we live here in Communist California, you got to have a limiter. So this company right here, it's called, let me see if I can read it, magazineblocks.com. You put this in your 30 round PMags, because a lot of you guys have been asking me about blocking off your mags to make them legal. This makes it legal right here. Also too, this is the full length is for your 30 rounders. And then you can snap it off right here, and then that will make it for your 20 rounders. And those were $5 a piece. Let's see what else we got here. And then I bought the new, made by Magpool, the couplers, better known as, Maglink. You put 2 PMags together and stagger them, and here in California, then at least that gives us 20 rounds. Okay. And then another one of the couplers. Let's see what else I got in here. Boy, this thing was awful heavy for being that I only had a few things in there. I guess that's it. It was in the backpack. And then I also picked up some more 7.65 by 54 for my Argentinian Mauser, my hunting rifle. One of these days I'll do a vid on that. And I also picked up one of the Chinese clip it on. It's a quick reloader, $3. So that was pretty good. Then I also picked up, these were kind of expensive. It was $45 for 500 for the AR bullets rounds. So we got that too. Also picked up some original 303 British stripper clips, which are real nice. I got 2 Enfields. I have the jungle carbine. One of these days I'll do a video on that too. And then I also have a standard full-length 303 British Enfield. Then I also picked up 7.7 jack for my Arasaka. I have 2 of them. Well, I had 1, now I have 2. And this right here is not Ferdinand primer, very rare. These are boxer primer. So these are reloadable. And you can reload these bad dogs. And I have, I think there's, these are 7.7 jab with 125 grain and light load, and it says that it's a 22 grain light loads. So now the winner of everything that I bought, the gentleman was selling a rifle, really didn't know what it was, and he was